Now, the pleasure is mine, sir. Welcome to Fiji, and so nice to see you.
Thank you. We have someone in common who is now in Pohnpei from a small island in Fiji,
Right?
Jared Morris.
Oh, how is he?
He's doing
I hope he's behaving himself, sir.
What do you mean by behaving? Many kinds of ways to find that. It's good to see you, sir.
Yeah, no, my pleasure, sir. Thank you very much for calling me to see me. I know you've got a very busy schedule.
Yes, I should say yes, yes.
Yeah, but thank you very much. Please sit down, sir. I knew you met my secretary, my ADC.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, as a matter of fact, there was a Rotuma lady was married to someone from his island, ExxonMobil's facilities in Micronesia. And he's running that.
So that's where he's.
Well, we did what everybody else do when they want to keep somebody. We married him off to a point.
I like that. I like that. Sir.
Thank you.
Can I hug? There we go. Oh. God bless you, sir. And regards to everybody back home. Have a safe trip back.
Continue with your good work, sir.
Bye-bye, sir. Sir? We'll see you again. Thanks a lot. Yes, yeah. So you guys are family.